welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a DIY pencil holder. And you already could tell that by the title, but I'm super excited for this video. I've been wanting to do this video for a long time, so yeah, I'm really on top of my game. I'm trying to be really on top of my game this week with posting. Like I posted yesterday, I'm posting today. I'm going to pre-film a video for tomorrow. It's going to be wonderful and great and awesome and spectacular. Okay, I'm all too excited for this one. But I'm going to show you the example. Are you guys ready? It's so cute, don't you guys think? Super easy and it has texture. And then you can just put your pencils or pens or whatever you want in there. And it's really good. I love it. So you guys should give this DIY a try. And even if you don't, please stay tuned for the rest of the video. Alright guys. So all you're going to need is a plastic clear cup. It has to be clear unless you wanted it like a blue, like the bluish clear, the purple clear. But I prefer just a plain clear so you have like good canvas. And then I'm going to use these slick paints. These are the colors that I chose. I picked neon pink, neon yellow, neon orange, neon red, bright teal, and neon blue. So as you can see, I did a line, squiggly lines. You can do polka dots, squares, triangles, whatever design you want and whatever colors you want. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is roll up my sleeves because I do not want to get paint on the sweater. Alright, so what you're gonna do, okay, this is really helpful for me, especially if you're doing a pattern. First, open all the lids to the paint. This is such a helpful thing to do. In my opinion, you don't have to do it this way, but I recommend it this way because it's so much easier, and it makes it more enjoyable because then you're not like every 5 seconds, you know. Set those off to the side. Alright, now it's time to paint. Alright guys, so now what you're going to do, okay, I figured this out yesterday, you're going to put your hand in the cup. This may sound like a wackadoodle thing to do, but it really truly helps, see, because when you have it in here and you're painting, then it makes it so much easier, in my opinion. You don't have to do that, but I would if I were you. And I think today I'm going to do polka dots, and what you're going to do is you're just going to go right from the tube and make a little dot or whatever your design is. That. And just do them all around, however many, and this is really where you get to be creative and really enjoy the craft. This is a really fun craft in my opinion. Sorry, that was the ice machine. Again, the TV is on, so sorry about that in the background. Alright guys, I'm gonna fast forward this part. This is gonna take a while. Alrighty guys, so I think I'm done and with all my dots. So what you're going to do, from the bottom, take 2 sides and kind of release the hand. And this is the final design. Really, really, really pretty. And make sure that you do this, you put all your caps back on because you don't want these to dry out in case you want to do it again. Again, you can do whatever design you want. Make the dots whatever size, shape, color, whatever. It's really a freestyle with this. I'm just showing you how to do it. If you would like to see more videos like this, comment down below. If you can't comment, sometimes it won't let you comment. I don't like that you can't comment that much on kids anymore, but it's fine. I think I'm going to do a baking video next. That'll come up tomorrow, hopefully. And yeah. Also, these might need to dry for about 5 to 6 hours. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Please click like and subscribe. And in the comments, let me know if you'd like to see more like this. Anyway, I'll see you guys another time. Bye!